In this video, I'm going to show you how to add welcome bot to your Discord server. This way, every time someone joins the server, they get a welcome message. So first, exit Discord, go to a browser, and then type in Dino, and then click, and then go to the first one, dino.gg, then click add to server, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. There's a free option. You can click add to server, and then make sure you select your server. So I'm going to select here my server, then continue. Make sure you enable all the options and click authorize, and then click here. We're going to verify. Okay, now you have to click. So I'm going to keep all the options the same. Okay, so now I'm going to click on search, and then I'm going to search for welcome. Okay, and then click enable, and then click on settings, and then here make sure you check the messages, and then here you have to select the channel. So I'm going to select the general channel. Okay, and now here you have to enter a message. So I'm going to enter welcome to the server and then the username. So here, welcome to the server, and then the username, you can find it here from the variables. You can just tap and hold so you can copy it. Then you can copy, and then you can enter here, and then click update, and then now go back to the Discord server. And now when someone joins the server, they will get a welcome message. So that's how to add a welcome bot to your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.